photo. I have made this just for fun. This is a replica of my own version of stuff. This is the version of Augustus Caesar. One of the greatest things I made of it. Yeah, that thing you see out there, that's just the littlest camp thing I made for fun. Gotta get this little sanding for them there. So this is actually my favorite scene I've made all year long. It's the game of the year, but it's probably going to be my most top 5. Why people don't know, but to me, I know why. It's probably my best one because it's Ludus. What would you do without Ludus in history? So let's go close up to the stuff right now, okay? He probably has the most detailed face I've ever printed out for one Ludus, but it didn't work all the way because the printer slicer wasn't working well at the time. But these are the combos. It's called combos, the coupons. Some of the Roman stands. So we find there's 2 on that side and that side. This is his stand, his royalty stand. This took forever. Yeah, this had a lot of filament support, and I cut my finger badly. And you guys can see or not. Just get to it. Right there, that's my broken finger I got cut. But this is my Ludus camp of Augustus Caesar. My favorite guy I've ever made in life. It's pretty much the best one I've made. Why do I have the light shining? Easy, y'all. The light sun makes him more like, heroic and stuff, like more historic. Historic Caesar. How are you doing, they say. And that's how you make Caesar, so, yeah. That's my historical Julius Caesar. Hope you all liked it, and see you next time in the video. Hey y'all, my name is Nick Vogel. I'm my teacher one, like Augustus Caesar. He's probably one of my best, one of my best people I've ever prank. I'm happy y'all, if y'all liked it, put a thumbs up on it, on YouTube or Facebook or wherever. Instagram or whatever you guys want to do. I don't have Instagram, but some people do. So. My Augustus Caesar is probably one of my biggest prints that made me drive crazy to look at the settings just to make it. Good lord. But thank God I made it. Okay? See you at the next video. You have a good day, my friend. Have fun. Let's go.